welcome to another vlog. Well, we are heading towards one of the latest attraction of Khorfakkan. It's getting very much famous day by day, so just stay with us to explore the beauty of that tourist attraction. So guys, this is one of the biggest tunnel, among the biggest tunnel of UAE, and we are crossing that and we are heading towards our destination. So guys, finally we reached our destination, and this is the new attraction of Khorfakkan, the man-made waterfall. Just check out the view behind me. This is a man-made waterfall and it is 43 meters above the sea level. My goodness, just check it out. It's giving an awesome feeling here. I'm really enjoying the water splashes that's coming on me, and wow, it's amazing. You must visit here. This man-made waterfall is 45 meters high and 11 meters wide. There are numerous windows in this waterfall mountain, from where you can enjoy the stunning and beautiful panoramic view of the Khorfakkan beach. No camera can record that beauty, which can only be seen by visiting here. No matter how much you try, but you cannot record that beauty. Whoever lives in UAE, they must come here to enjoy the beauty of this huge waterfall. Ice cream time! Khorfakkan Amphitheatre, and it got inaugurated on 14th of December 2020 by the ruler of Sharjah, Dr. Sultan. It's getting very famous among the tourists. So guys, finally enjoying the stunning attraction of Khorfakkan. Now we came here to enjoy the traditional Arab food, that is kemat and haris. ये है जी केमत और हरीस. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye.